What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. This is where the excitement starts. We are going to start sanding this down and we are going to get this thing painted. So before we start doing that, we're gonna take off all the clear brush that we need to take off because this car was clear brush. So this door, the trunk right here, the quarter panel, you can see all this clear brush. So first thing we're gonna do is take off the clear brush, and then we're gonna start sanding everything down, and we're gonna get to painting, and we're gonna get this car out the boot as soon as possible, and we're gonna start putting it back together. So let's get to sanding. Alright guys, first thing we're gonna do is sand down the hood and the fender with the 360. It's a little bit deeper because we gotta put sealant on here. And then we're gonna do it a little bit lighter on the fender and the door. We're gonna do a little fade once we're fading it, once we're painting it.
They're sanding that side. I have to take off the mirror and the door handle for them to start sanding this side after. In order to take off the mirror, I actually have to remove the glass. So I'm gonna get to that right now.
Explain how this booth works. So the reason why we're not wearing any respirators is because all the air blows here and it sucks everything down here. So there's pretty much no dust whatsoever. So this is a really nice booth to work in. That's this guy's booth setup. A new booth, and we're one of the first people to use it, so shout out to that guy right here using his booth. Real nice setup. This is such a complicated bumper to sand. I've never had. Look at this right here. Check this out. All these little grooves inside here, all along this, everything needs to be sanded, or else the paint is going to be peeling off. So it takes hours to sand this bumper. It's crazy, but it has to be done. Alright guys, we got everything sanded down. Here's the bumper. It's all done, it's all ready. Here's the hood, the fender. That fender, we just sanded down the clear coat. We're going to fade the color that way. Right here, we sanded down this passenger door, and we sanded down the convertible top right here. So we just sanded down the clear coat. Also, the color is gonna fade here, so it can be match up perfectly. So you won't be able to tell where it was even painted. So we're done with pretty much everything, and we're gonna call it a night. It's already getting late, and we're gonna come back tomorrow morning first thing, and we're gonna start getting the car painted. So I'm excited to finally get this car painted. See you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, this is already the second day. We are ready to start getting this car painted, so let's get to it right away. Alright guys, we're done with our second layer of paint. Our next step is to do pearl and then clear coat. So what we're gonna do with the pearl is factory bumper, this black, it comes just plain gloss black, and the blue color comes pearl. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it better than factory, and we're going to spray pearl into the black and the blue. So we're going to cover the whole car up with pearl, the bumper, everything that got painted, and then we're gonna throw on some clear coat, and the paint is going to be complete. So let's continue. Let's kill it.
You got me drowning in the sea. You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
Sometimes when you're here,
Alright guys, we got the car back to the shop safely. The paint turned out amazing. There's no imperfections anywhere. The blend is perfect. The color perfect. Everything matched out. Matched up really good. So for our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to start throwing the whole interior in together. First thing we're going to do is the interior. We're going to throw all that in, connect everything, and then we're going to start working on the front end. So hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at Foreign Builds, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.